Hey, do you know that Earth does not revolve around the Sun? Do you know that Moon does not revolve around the Earth? Do you know that planets don't revolve around the Sun? Yes, that's reality. To make the concepts easy, sometimes we refer it like planets revolve around the Sun, Moon revolve around the Earth, or other natural satellites revolve around their respective planets. But the reality is different. Today, we are going to learn about the reality behind revolution. So, the planets and the Sun revolve around a common center of mass called barycenter. Every object has center of mass. That center of mass helps the object to be balanced. Like Earth has got its center of mass, Sun has got its center of mass, Moon has got its center of mass. Every celestial objects have their center of mass, which helps that object to be balanced. Now, the center of mass is also called the center of gravity. In space, when two objects are revolving around each other, let's say Moon and Earth revolving around each other, or Earth and Sun revolving around each other, they have a common center of mass. That common center of mass is called barycenter. Remember, the barycenter is close to the object which has more mass. Where is the barycenter between Earth and Sun? See, Sun is more massive, Earth is less massive in comparison to the Sun, right? So the barycenter will be very close to the center of the Sun. But if we take the case of Jupiter, Jupiter is somewhere around 318 times massive than Earth. 318 times. So the barycenter between Sun and Jupiter is near the Sun but not into the Sun. Same way, the barycenter of Earth and Moon is defined as Earth is more massive, Moon is less massive. So the barycenter between Earth and Moon will be close to the Earth. See, this is how celestial objects revolve around each other. They revolve around this common point called barycenter. The barycenter also helps us to identify exoplanets. Yes, exoplanets are observed into the sky with the help of barycenter. So next time when you read about that Earth is revolving around the Sun, remember that's half truth. The reality is Sun and Earth revolve around a common point called barycenter. Thank you.